mobile, please. Explosion, hobo jungle. We may engulfed in flames. 209, you alright?
Damn, boy.
Center, we just had a huge explosion. We've got a massive fire out here on Dudley here at the rail yard. All kinds of stuff on fire.
Right there.
Just lost power down here on the hill.
10-4.
209, you might want to back your unit up.
Get your ass out of my way. Get the hell up out of here.
Go ahead.
Front Street, and I can see the explosion on it. Oh, it's Front Street. There's smoke all the way down here.
10-4.
11:30, I'm on the viaduct. There's still secondary explosions going on.
10-4.
It's following that vapor trail. Y'all better get out of the cloud.
209, where you at?
I'm back out of the way at this time.
Twenty-three, 31, 257. 2331, 257.